Flip my hat around.
Absolutely.
I love the sound of a big block C2 though, don't you?
There's another phrase I like. Nothing burps like bacon, and nothing sounds like a big block. Ladies and gentlemen,
burps like bacon.
Nothing does. I love bacon.
Oh wow! Fourth gear pulled so hard.
Sorry, had to do it. Really felt like I needed to. Ready?
I'm ready, Freddie.
Hello everybody, I'm Christopher, the guy behind the camera as always, Jake the Snake, and this is Fast Lane Classic Cars. Jake, take it away. Oh my Lord. Hi, sorry. There.
Go ahead.
Get some pollen?
Yeah, something.
Hey everybody, I'm Christopher, and this guy to my immediate left is Jake the Snake, and this is Fast Lane Classic Cars. Jake, tell them a little bit about it.
Heck yeah, 15 minutes outside St. Louis to the west. I'm gonna stick the phone number above our heads. Look, there it is. Remember it, write it down, call us about this amazing 1966 big block Corvette or the other 150 or so cars we have at any given time, and also like and subscribe because it helps us help you, help us help you. And when you subscribe, hit the bell because then you get notified when we make cool stuff like this. And also comment because I like to read those. And if you want to see full photos of all of our cars, interior, exterior, engine bay, undercarriage, specs, pricing information, go to our website, www.fastlanecars.com, and you can see all of that stuff. And if you want to inquire or email us at sales@fastlanecars.com. And you can get a hold of this guy or one of our other salesmen.
Or Big Al, or anybody. Anyway, hey, this is a 1966 big block Corvette, 427 matching numbers, 4-speed Muncie transmission matching numbers, and the correct color is Milano Maroon.
Milano Maroon.
It's got a...
Like the cookie.
Like the cookie, which I enjoy. It's got the Teakwood steering wheel. It's got the black vinyl interior. That is also correct. I have never seen one this color before. It is absolutely gorgeous. I have never seen one like this.
We've had one this color, I think.
I don't remember it.
Maybe it was before you were here.
May have been before my time. Who knew? But I've never seen one quite look like this. It is gorgeous.
Yes, with the black interior, it looks amazing. And we have a working clock.
Which, another working clock. That's like the third one in a row.
This one is a soft top. You got nice chrome side pipes. This one does have side pipes.
It does.
The C2 we drove earlier this morning had exhaust out the rear. I like the side pipes though.
And this has your second favorite instrumentation panel.
Yes.
But it's still great.
It's still a C2 gauge cluster, but it's not the early C2 cluster that had the dished gauges with kind of the spiral pattern inside of them.
Loves the dish gauges,
but I still love it. You got the fins on the side behind the front wheels. That looks amazing. You got the yellow line tires, which are cool. The knockoffs.
Big block hood.
Big block hood, of course, because it's a big block.
You're darn right.
Nice chrome bumpers, chrome around the windshield, chrome on that big block hood right there. Some vents to let some heat out as well. I mean, it's a beautiful looking car, and I'm sure it drives as good as it looks, so why don't we start it up?
We're going to find out, aren't we, Jake?
Let's start it up.
I'm pumped.
Probably shouldn't have parked this black vinyl seat in the sun.
It wasn't a good idea. It's not one of my favorites.
Flip my hat around.
Absolutely.
I love the sound of a big block C2 though, don't you?
There's another phrase I like. Nothing burps like bacon, and nothing sounds like a big block. Ladies and gentlemen,
burps like bacon.
Nothing does. I love bacon.
And we're off. I think I know why the Bryant Gumbel freaks out every time we leave.
What's that?
Because we always make a left, and it thinks that we're trying to go straight, so it turns the gimbal to the right to make up for it.
Maybe we'll just take the long way around and I'll be easy on the turn.
No, that's all right. Watch the pothole, though.
Gosh.
We do need to get these filled, really.
One of these days.
We do have a working clock, like we said. Rob scared you.
A little bit, because I didn't know he was going to do that.
I didn't know that golf cart had a horn.
Well, now we do, and knowing's half the battle. I'm like, did I just hit somebody? Thank God.
We do have a you-know-what handle right
here. Sometimes we need it.
Just in case you need it. You do have the air controls right there below the clock, and the radio controls beneath that. And you have the little radio there where you flip the little dial to switch between AM and FM. It is going to have to warm up. It is a big block.
True. You hear that?
We got nice oil pressure, right at about 60.
Yep, I just put some gas in it.
Water temp just barely started to move. He did put some gas in it, so that gauge works. That's good to know. Very nice.
Wow, it's so nice and loud.
Yes, it is a very loud noise that it makes, but it's a good noise.
The best noise.
Very nice. Third gear action.
Oh yeah, Bubba. This is something.
We got a massive teak steering wheel. You said,
Love the teak.
is it teak?
It is teak. Teakwood.
It's teak and it's antique.
Wow, good one. Good.
Thank you.
Get your old historic plates.
I thought that was pretty good.
This guy.
Look at that hood. Just
Man.
incredible. And I love the fenders on the seat too.
Oh God.
The other day we drove a white one and I called them voluptuous.
You did.
And I will stand by that.
I think you should, because this is a really voluptuous hood. Man, I love this car. So we're going about what, 45, 2,000, going a couple of, $2 grand. That's not bad. Not bad at all.
In fourth gear,
355
yeah.
rear gears.
No.
Positive traction, of
You
course.
could cruise this on the highway
Easily.
easily.
We
Plus,
could. Well, I'd
it-
say let's go back on the highway, but let's not.
No. It's a big block, so it'll keep up with traffic too.
Oh boy.
You're not going to have any problems keeping up with the other cars on the road.
Nope.
These things are actually really fast, even for today's standards.
Oh my goodness, yes.
I mean, what was the horsepower rating on this one? Do you know?
425. It's an
425?
L72.
So a 425 horsepower out of a car that's maybe a little over 3,000 pounds,
Yeah.
right around there, maybe even less.
Maybe.
But yeah, you got plenty of cojones
oh.
to back up the look of this thing.
El Guapo, there's a plethora of horsepower. A plethora.
I like that word, a plethora.
I know. So did El Guapo.
And there's a green light. Still not completely warmed up yet. Water temp is creeping above 150 now.
Oh, it's creeping. Creeping.
And these big blocks, they like to sit around 190, 200.
Yeah, a little under 2. That's kind of the sweet spot.
Yeah. You do have the one speaker for your radio up there in between the two humps on the dash. And then you also have the knobs down below the steering wheel to let the air in.
I like the air coming
I'm going to
in.
open mine because my legs are getting warm. Wow, that feels good. The faster you go, the more AC you have.
Amen. You know what that
Very
means?
nice. Bean test time? Oh, wow. Fourth gear pulls so
Sorry.
hard.
Sorry, had to do it. Really felt like I needed to.
Fourth pulls just like third. It's almost like it's...
Jeez.
And that
I
was
love a big
definitely
block.
not 70 miles an hour for you kids at home.
It wasn't. It was 35.
Oh, speaking of the kids at home, we have a
Oh.
cigarette lighter in case you want to take up smoking. But don't smoke, kids. Smoke tires, not cigarettes.
Please don't do it, kids. It's really not good for you.
Smoking's bad for you. But these
Okay.
cars have the amenities if you want to smoke, including the ashtray down here.
This is a beautiful car, dude.
It's really good. isn't it?
God, yes. All right, do some flybys. You
Flyby
ready?
time?
Stunning car. And here he comes, Jake the Snake. He's a demon on wheels, ladies and gentlemen. Don't hit the water. Oh, good, he's not. Woo! That's cooking, baby. Man, I love that car. It does have four-wheel disc brakes, by the way. Forgot to mention it. I was so excited about driving it. Damn. That's a car and a half. I know he loves the Prelude, but I think it's a little better than the Prelude. Sorry, Honda.
All
you put it?
Above it.
Okay.
This is way faster than the Prelude.
It sounds great.
Way more stylish, sounds better, looks better, drives better. I love my Prelude, but it's not a C2 Corvette, and it's not a big block.
No, it's not.
No,
my God,
it's
so
only 2
beautiful.
liters. This is 427 cubic inches, which is what,
8
7
liters?
liters? 7.
Something like that.
I think it's 7. Anyway, it drives amazing, it brakes amazing. Does it have power brakes?
It's 4-wheel disc.
4-wheel discs.
I know.
I could feel it because it stops a lot better than the.
You could.
than a lot
Thanks
of
for
other
being
cars.
easy on the tires. You
Oh,
were
of
very
course.
easy.
Yes, but you ready to go back?
I think we should.
Let's do it.
do it.